Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will discuss about the model of ear. Now this is the external ear which consists of auricle and external acoustic meatus. Now this is the helix of the auricle, antihelix, triangular fossa, scaphoid fossa, concha of the auricle, tragus, antitragus and lobule of auricle. Then after removing this part, you can see this hole is the external acoustic meatus, its cartilaginous part, its bony part. Now here you can see this is tympanic membrane, which is a partition between external ear and middle ear cavity. Now this hole is the middle ear cavity and this is epitympanic recess. Here you can see tegmen tympani, which forms the roof of the middle ear cavity. Here you can see pharyngotympanic tube, tensor tympani, tensor villi palatini, then internal carotid artery. Then after removing this tegmen tympani, you can see these are the ear ossicles, malleus, incus and stapes. Now this opening is the adytus and here are the mastoid antrum. Then this hole is the inner ear. Here you can see bony labyrinth which consists of cochlea, vestibule and 3 semicircular canals. These are lateral, anterior and posterior semicircular canals. This is ampulla of the semicircular canal which opens into this vestibule. Here you can see this is apex of the cochlea. This is the base of the cochlea. This is cochlear nerve which arises from the cochlea. And this is vestibular nerve which arises from the vestibule, and collectively they form vestibulocochlear nerve. Now see that on the vestibule, here is the oval window at which foot plate of stapes is attached, and here you can see this one is the round window. So this is all about the model of ear.